Looking for the best tech gifts that actually deliver this holiday season? Whether it's bringing back the tactile joy of a physical keyboard on your phone, taking your TV setup to the next level, or the must-have accessory for every Switch owner, we've got the ultimate guide for this season's best gifts and some killer deals you're not gonna wanna miss. Welcome to Ask TG, the show where I grab your comments and questions from our videos and get you answers from our Tom's Guide tech experts. Use the hashtag AskTG for your chance to get featured in our next episode, and stay subscribed to see if you made the cut. John, I know you're always reviewing some really cool accessories. What stands out this year for heavy smartphone users or anyone who's recently upgraded to a new device?
First, if they have an iPhone, especially newer iPhone, the Clicks keyboard. The Clicks keyboard gives you that BlackBerry-like experience because it has a physical keyboard. I've taken it out in public and people are like, whoa, what's that? It's like, it's not a new phone. It's actually just an iPhone with a keyboard.
How well does it work for typing longer emails or messages, or is it more for that nostalgia factor?
I think for productivity, it's useful. You know, the classic, copy and paste functions that you do, you can do it a lot faster with just, using the controls on the keyboard itself.
Cool. Any other picks?
This is the Duracell M100 power bank. Yes, it does the same function as any other power bank, but look, it looks exactly like a Duracell battery, and it's different because it comes with this wireless charging pad, so you don't necessarily have to connect it to cable. And the other thing is that it has MagSafe. MagSafe compatible iPhone, connect there, it'll start charging for you, and there's also a charging pad here, the underside here.
Oh, for your AirPods.
So definitely for people who travel a lot, especially if they're power users. Go to your hotel at night, you could just have this by your bedside. You don't have to worry about bringing extra cables and all that because you have the MagSafe wireless charging and also the AirPods charging right there for you. Any
other last picks?
I'm actually using it on this call right now, so I'm going to take it off. So here it is. This is the Shiftcam Pro Grip. For this particular instance where I'm actually talking to you, rather than holding the phone, I just set it on top of the desk, and then there you go, hands-free experience.
All right, next up, home entertainment. Ryan, what are some of your top picks for gifts this year?
Two good ones for streaming lovers, right? I think two good ones would be either the Roku Ultra or the Google TV Streamer. I got them right here.
Ooh, okay.
One thing that a lot of people don't talk about is like if you travel a lot, these are great because you can just plug them in. Boom, it's easy as that. You have all your streaming stuff logged in. You don't have to log into everything or log out right when you leave the hotel. And what's nice about the Roku Ultra 2 is you get the second gen Roku Voice Remote Pro, it's called. It's $30 remote, which has backlit buttons, and then it's charged via USB-C. If you have a friend or family that's already pretty much, in the Roku ecosystem, or maybe they're just getting started with their smart home ecosystem, maybe they want to get into the smart home thing, this is a good setup, right? Get them the Roku Ultra. That gives them access to some smart home stuff, specifically for Roku products like the Roku lights, the smart light strip, the indoor camera, and the plug, which this would allow you to essentially turn anything, right? Anything into a smart home device, as it were.
Any other cool, home entertainment setup?
How about a nice little on-the-go speaker? Ult Field 1, it's called. It's got a little Ult button right here, which boosts the bass. If you press that, you'll hear a little boom. Feel that? Yeah, they what? And then that's when you turn it off. I don't know if I should say this, but I put it in the bathroom. I have it as my bathroom so I can sing along with my favorite Disney songs.
Like what?
No, I'm kidding. The soundtrack to Treasure Planet, maybe. It was nice and warm outside and stuff, and I was bringing outside. There were a lot of people, there were a lot of activity outside, and I could still hear this great.
Whether you know an aspiring YouTuber, someone who's always capturing videos on the go, or you're just looking to help them step up their content creation game, these are the gifts that make the biggest difference. Let's start with something that I swear by, the iPhone Flex Kit. This kit includes two handy accessories, one of which you've already seen throughout the video. This handy snap-on phone stand wallet, which holds 3 cards and doubles as a stand for watching movies or taking video calls, or it's just a really great way to grip and hold onto your phone. And then there's this super handy tripod stand that lets you get really nice locked off shots for filming yourself, anything else, horizontally, vertically. It also doubles as a mini selfie stick, so that's really cool. They're both super compact and I have them on me whenever I go out. They're available individually, but bundled together in the Flex Kit, they're under $60 this holiday season. This kit also pairs perfectly with the Snap battery pack, which I also never leave home without, especially when I'm shooting longer videos on my phone. It keeps me charged via MagSafe without the hassle of carrying or being tethered to a power bank. Speaking of power, there's the pluggable 30-watt charger. I know John shared the do-it-all Duracell, but this one is tiny and powerful, and I've been saying this for years, it's the ultimate stocking stuffer. This thing is just so small that I just keep one in every bag so I never forget it, and it's come in handy more times than I can count. For the ultimate gift for your content creator friends who's serious about video quality but doesn't want a massive camera, there's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. By far one of the best cameras I've used for quick, high quality content, but I get it at over $500. It's not necessarily the most affordable gift. So for a more affordable yet still game-changing choice, there's the newly released DJI Mic Mini. And if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I've been using the DJI wireless mic too. The Mic Mini is really similar. It's just a little bit more portable, more budget friendly, but it does lack some of the more advanced pro features, which not everybody needs. In fact, it's perfect for solo creators and starts at just $89 for the base kit. And trust me, good audio can make or break a video. All right, moving on to gaming. Aside from the usual, getting games and controllers, what other gaming gifts do you think are worth grabbing this year, Anthony?
Well, if you're still playing your Nintendo Switch like I am, you can't go wrong with the GENKI Covert Dock Mini. The size of a power adapter that folds away for easy storage. You have a HDMI port here and a USB-C port here. HDMI on your TV, USB-C right to your Switch. Plug and play. Simple as.
That's probably one of the ultimate ways to take your Switch on the go.
We also have the bigger one here. This one has more power, and this one was designed with the Steam Deck in mind too. So it's for the Switch and the Steam Deck. So 45 watts, 20 watts. And another thing I like about these is when I'm traveling, like if I need to top off my phone real quick, these will quick charge your phone.
Any other gaming picks?
Oh yeah, absolutely. My go-to headset right now, the Turtle Beach Atlas Air. And what I like about these is they're open back. So while you're gaming, you can hear everything else around you. If you have little ones at home like I do, you need to be aware. They work on the Nintendo Switch, they work on PS5, they work on PC, they work on Xbox, but with Xbox you have to use the 3.5 millimeter jack and plug them in. And what's really nice is just they're really designed to keep you cool. So you have a mesh on the top here, and I like how they look. Like I like that circle design. If you're getting one pair of headphones and you want to have one nice pair that you use across devices, I would go with these. If you're in a pinch and you just want something cheap, I really like these ones from Razer. They do have the non-removable microphone, but I like the pads. They are wired too, but I think they're $50 normally, but I picked these up for $35.
You kind of look like a pilot with those on.
Perfect for Microsoft Flight Simulator.
Any other gifts that you think would work well for gamers?
I can't live without one. I have one on every one of my monitors, and I'm talking about monitor light bar. As you can see here, I have two on this setup, and what I really like is if you have two like this, you can use one controller to control both of them at the same time.
Well, that's cool.
This is the standard one, so it only has it has a white light on the front and white backlight, which is kind of nice to really illuminate your workspace. But this one here is a bit more fun because you have that same white light. It could be white, it could be yellow. You have that on the front, and then on the back, you have RGB.
Ooh.
So if you want to add like a splash of color to your wall,
like I'm doing right now.
Yeah, get that whole gamer room aesthetic. As you can see here, this is just two monitor light bars illuminating my desk. And you can see my keyboard, my mouse, everything's lit, but the rest of the room is dark, which is, it's kind of cozy if you're working at night or even if you're playing games at night.
Before I let you go, we did also have a viewer ask if you had any chair recommendations, specifically for heavy dudes or dudettes.
I think it's the Anda C Kaiser 3 is our current pick for the best gaming chair for big and tall. Though the Kaiser 4 did just come out, and we have a review on that coming. And then if you want just like absolute comfort and a really spacey, floaty feel, the steel case calming. This is all textile, and it kind of responds to your movement, you know. It almost like wraps around you. Oh, wow, I forgot how nice it was to sit down in.
That's a wrap for episode 4. Which of these picks, if any, would you gift this holiday season? Let me know in the comments, or use the hashtag AskTG to share your thoughts, questions, and suggestions for our next episode. You can find us everywhere at Tom's Guide, and you can follow me to see what other cool tech I'm reviewing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.